Hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's almost weekend. Today on Friday on September the 16th, 2022. We have here in this newspaper two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the Heavy Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars Sudoku, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Half of them I will solve. And because we have also 2 regular puzzles, the heavy and the light Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, shocking news, because they found in Izyum, that's in Ukraine, a mass graves with a lot of dead bodies. Not good news. The war is still going on, so war. Alright, let me continue with the puzzles then. First one is a Sudoku Light, and this will be number 5182. 5182. And before I start with the puzzle, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have here 9 big squares, with each big square 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4 is 36. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, this will be easier than the 1 star. Because the 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 12 minutes or 50 minutes, 12 or 30 minutes. We will see if this is easier than the 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with 1, of course. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, shown the row below. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me continue with the 2 then. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, last row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Now let me continue with 1 then. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the second row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Let me see with the 3. The 3 in the third column, the 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Well, will be difficult. It will be difficult. How about the 4 then? 4. Well, the 4 in the first row, the 4 in the third row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column. So no 4 there. So the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3 and number 4. 3, 3, 3, 3. Still cannot fill the 3s. 3, 3. Well, 3, 3, 3. No, need to wait. How about the 5 then? The 5. We have a 5 in the last column, the 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Well, in this column, the first column, we need a 5. 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. How about the 4 then? No, the 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. No. Need to wait. Well, yeah, need to wait. The 6 then. The 6. We have a 6 in the first column, the 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Okay. How about the 3 and the 5? Yeah, the 5 I can continue. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 5. How about the 3? Well, still cannot. Well, not true. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in our last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 7, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, digit number 6, number 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 7, the 8, and the 9s are missing. 7, 8, and the 9s. Here we have a 7 and a 9, so this box should be an 8. 7, 9, and 8. We have an 8 here, so 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Here 2 boxes left in this big square, so the 7, 8, and the 9s. We have a 7 here, so the 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 7, 8, or the 9. We have an 8 and a 9 here, so this box should be a 7. 7, 8, or the 9. We have a 9 here, so the 8 and the 7 are left. Well, we have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. In the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this last row, 8 in that row, row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7, 8, or the 9. 8 and 9 we have here, so this box should be a 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square, the 7, 8, or the 9. The 8 we have here, so the 7 and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 12 or 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Well, see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a Sudoku Heavy. I hope you enjoyed this puzzle. So until then, bye bye for now.